Is there a bird there?
The boys. Watch out for the bird.
It's gonna fall down.
Watch out. Daddy.
Hi, bird.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It said good.
Good morning.
It said good morning.
It's already afternoon, but
Good
she
morning.
said good morning.
Good morning, bird.
It's not actually morning right now. It's no afternoon. It's funny.
Funny bird.
That's our car over there. See our car? Oh, not a dog.
Bird up.
You see our car right over there. Our car is right over there.
Happy.
Our car is right. Can you guess our car? Yeah, it's what I'm pointing on. It's that one.
His name is Happy. Happy.
It's actually. Wait, what bird is it again?
It's a male bird. Myna.
Oh, Myna bird. Alright. Here's the bird food. The bird thingies. Bird cage. Taga na Myna bird over there. Wait, that's my mommy over there. See my mommy.
What is this?
What is this?
Yorna?
Wow!
This Yorna?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Go home na?
Good morning.
Not yet.
Say bye-bye to the bird na. You say bye-bye.
Yung mami, matagal pa po yung video ko.
Wala ka naman video. Ano yung binidyo mo? Yung semento. Tapos ganun na lang. Yung bird yung i-video mo.
Where's the bird? Oh, it's over there. It was
Jumping.
look at the bird. Oh. It jumped all the way back there. Thank you for watching for my Thank you for watching my
Wow.
Hey, stop. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Alright.